Okay, so here we have the Audi A3 on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle in it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car, which are 38,894. The information displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. There are various different menus, as you can see, and the buttons that I was using to go through those menus are just here. Over on the right-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. We have cruise control underneath here as well. The phone controls can't be used until you've paired the phone up to the car, and that of course is done over on the central screen just here. Just go down to the telephone heading, enter that telephone menu, and you'll be able to pair your phone from there. All of the movement that I was making on the screen, or do make on the screen, is being done using these buttons just here. So that dial will take you through all of the options on the screen. You can rotate it, it pushes down as well, and these two buttons will access the left-hand side of the main screen and the right hand side of the screen. You can also go back to your main menu and access certain things directly from here. So for example, if I push that up as I just have and show you on the screen again, you'll see that we are now on the nav menu. We can go back to the main menu. We can access our music from here. Go around to where it says radio and media. When it comes to radio, we have FM, DAB and AM radio. And if you want to listen to your own music, you can do. That's very easy to do as well. Just go back to the media setting. And again, you've got a number of ways in which you can listen to your own music just here. And they include Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, as well as making and receiving phone calls. Beneath that, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We can turn off our hazard warning lights. This button will turn off the traction control. We can close down the main screen for the car. So if you're getting glare at night time, you can open it back out again as well with the same button. Drive select will change the driving setup of the car from comfort to auto, dynamic, or individual. Comfort is where you would have it most of the time. And then below that, we have the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. And then once you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows. Or it'll turn it off again as well, of course. Or hit auto. The car will now take control of the fan speed, which you can hear it doing, and the direction of the air to maintain those temperatures. Any manual adjustment will take auto off straight away again and enable you to put it back in your own settings. We have a 12-volt charging socket beneath that, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.